This is a JLG 925 AG Telehandler. Ride control's great, smooth ride. It's a comfortable machine to operate. And then we do custom farming for other farmers also. So getting from here to there, it's nice that these run like 26 miles an hour. We're using mainly feeding cattle, pushing brush with it, use it for bedding cows. It's very versatile, and it turns really short. It gets into tight places, and I can get a lot done with it. So my efficiency's a lot better since I've had this on the farm. I told someone back 30 years ago when we bought our first skid steer, once we bought one, we didn't know how we got along without one. And now this is pretty much the same thing. Since we have this, I don't know how we do without one.